Let me tell you this, if you truly want to make money on the internet, one of the most important skills you need to learn is how to conduct research. You might be learning skills like social media marketing, email marketing, content writing, web development, and so on. If you don't know how to conduct research, you will be asking some questions and a lot of people will be seeing you as somebody who is not serious with their life. You need to understand the importance of using these advanced tools on the internet like Google, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and so on to conduct research to find basic information that can help you grow faster on the internet. You don't need to jump into people's inbox all the time to ask questions that you can easily find answers to on Google or on YouTube. You need to start learning this skill. You can go to YouTube to start learning how to conduct research, how to use Google to find information very easily. There are a lot of things you can do with Google that you don't need to contact your mentor or somebody you buy course from to start asking some questions that you can easily find answers to on the internet. So if you're really serious and you want to make money online, start learning how to conduct research. Don't see people as your enemy because they are not answering some questions you are asking. The reason is because those questions are questions you can easily find answers to on the internet if you know what you are doing. So you don't want people to see you as some serious person. Start learning how to conduct research today. Start learning how to use YouTube, how to use Google, how to use Facebook to find information, and this will help you and you'll be able to make money online without having to stress yourself or without having to see people as wicked for not answering your questions. So I hope this video helps someone out there. If you really love this, feel free to follow me to learn more about how to make money on the internet. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.